Best time to do a TSP to Gold IRA rollover in 2025. Rolling over a thrift savings plan, TSP, into a Gold IRA has become an appealing option for federal employees and military personnel who want to safeguard retirement savings. In 2025, timing is critical. Economic shifts, political transitions, and regulatory considerations make certain windows more favorable for such a move. Market climate in 2025, this year brings persistent inflation, shifting interest rates, and global uncertainty. Central banks continue to buy gold, strengthening its role as a safe haven asset. For TSP participants, this climate underscores the importance of diversification through a Gold IRA. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Click the link below in the description to get it. Federal Reserve decisions. When the Federal Reserve lowers rates or signals softer policies, gold prices often rise. Watching mid-year Fed updates can help identify strong rollover moments. Market volatility. TSP funds tied to equities are vulnerable to sudden declines. Shifting into a Gold IRA during market downturns protects savings from deeper losses. Inflation indicators. Quarterly CPI and PCE reports offer insight into inflationary pressure. Spikes in these metrics can signal the right time to transition into gold. Election year aftermath. Policy changes following the 2024 election may disrupt markets in early 2025. This period of uncertainty could favor a defensive rollover strategy. Seasonal and strategic timing. Gold demand historically strengthens in the first quarter due to global buying patterns. Combining this seasonal momentum with early year political and economic uncertainty can create an advantageous timing window. Tax and regulatory considerations. To avoid penalties, a direct rollover from TSP to a self-directed Gold IRA is essential. Those nearing required minimum distributions, RMDs, must plan carefully to stay compliant with IRS rules. Early preparation ensures a smooth transition without tax consequences. The best time to do a TSP to Gold IRA rollover in 2025 is when market conditions, policy changes, and seasonal demand align. Mid-year Fed decisions, early 2025 volatility, and inflation surges are key signals. By planning carefully and following IRS rules, investors can transform their TSP into a resilient, gold-backed retirement strategy. Free Gold IRA Guide. Learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Download your free Gold IRA Guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.